Make money online, your adventure starts now. Have you ever dreamed of earning money online? Imagine this. You're in your pajamas, sipping coffee, and watching your bank account grow. Sounds pretty awesome, right? That's the power of online business, and affiliate marketing is your ticket to this exciting world. Affiliate marketing might sound complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. It's about sharing products you love with people who need them. You recommend a product, they buy it through your unique link, and boom, you earn a commission. It's like being rewarded for giving good advice. The best part? You don't need to create your own products or deal with customer support. You're simply connecting the dots between amazing products and eager customers. Plus, you can do it from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure? Let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing and discover how you can start building your own online income stream. What is affiliate marketing? It's easier than you think. Think of affiliate marketing like being a friendly guide in a bustling marketplace. You find someone looking for a specific shop, you point them in the right direction, and when they make a purchase, the shop owner thanks you with a small reward. In the online world, that shop is an online store. The reward is your commission, and you're the helpful guide connecting the two through your unique affiliate link. This link acts like a tracking code, letting the store know that the customer came from your recommendation. Let's say you're passionate about photography and you find an amazing online course that teaches beginners how to take stunning photos. You sign up for their affiliate program, receive your unique link, and start sharing it on your blog, social media, or even with friends and family who share your interest. When someone clicks your link, lands on the course page, and decides to purchase it, you earn a commission. It's that simple. You're helping people discover valuable products and you're getting rewarded for it. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. It's a win-win for everyone involved. The customer gets a great product, the store makes a sale, and you earn a commission. Sounds like a pretty sweet deal, right? And the best part is, you can do this from anywhere in the world at any time. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or even on vacation, as long as you have an internet connection, you can be an affiliate marketer. So why not give it a try and start your affiliate marketing journey today? You might just find it to be a rewarding and enjoyable way to earn some extra income. Finding your perfect niche. What are you passionate about? One of the keys to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. This decision can significantly impact your journey and the results you achieve. This is where your passion and knowledge intersect with a specific audience's needs and interests. It's about finding that sweet spot where what you love aligns with what others are looking for. Think about what you truly enjoy talking about, researching, or sharing with others. What topics make you lose track of time because you're so engrossed in them? Do you geek out over the latest tech gadgets? Are you always on the lookout for the newest innovations and updates in technology? Are you a fitness fanatic with a passion for healthy living? Do you love exploring new workout routines and nutrition plans? Maybe you're a DIY enthusiast who loves sharing creative projects? Do you find joy in crafting and building things from scratch? Your niche doesn't have to be something you're an expert in, but it should be something you're genuinely interested in and can see yourself learning more about. Passion fuels persistence and growth. This passion will translate into authentic and engaging content that resonates with your audience. People can sense when you're genuinely excited about a topic. For example, let's say you're a coffee lover who enjoys experimenting with different brewing methods and beans. Your enthusiasm can be contagious. You could turn this passion into a niche by creating content around coffee-related products like grinders, espresso machines, or specialty coffee subscriptions. Share your experiences and insights. By focusing on a specific niche, you become a go-to source of information and recommendations for a targeted audience. Your expertise becomes valuable. This makes it easier to attract the right people who are more likely to be interested in the products you're promoting. Your audience will trust your recommendations. Remember, choosing a niche is about finding the sweet spot between your interests, audience demand, and market potential. It's a balance that can lead to success. It's about building a community around something you love and sharing valuable information that helps people make informed decisions. Your passion can inspire and guide others. Joining the right programs where to find your products. Now that you've identified your niche, it's time to find the right affiliate programs to partner with. This step is crucial as it determines the quality and relevance of the products you'll be promoting. Thankfully, there are countless options available, and many companies offer affiliate programs for their products or services. This means you have a wide array of choices to find the perfect fit for your audience. One of the easiest ways to get started is by exploring affiliate networks. These networks simplify the process by providing a centralized platform to find and join multiple programs. These platforms act as intermediaries, connecting you with a wide range of merchants and their affiliate programs. They often provide tools and resources to help you succeed. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, one of the largest and most diverse affiliate networks, offering millions of products across various categories. It's a great starting point for beginners. ShareASale, a reputable network known for its user-friendly interface and a wide selection of merchants. It's ideal for those looking for a variety of products. CJ Affiliate, a global affiliate network that partners with many well-known brands. This network is perfect for those aiming to promote high-profile products. ClickBank, a popular platform for digital products such as online courses, ebooks, and software. It's a go-to for digital marketers. When choosing affiliate programs, it's important to consider factors like commission rates, cookie duration, brand reputation, and product relevance to your niche. These elements can significantly impact your earnings. You want to partner with companies that offer fair compensation, have a good track record, and provide products that align with your audience's needs. This ensures a trustworthy relationship. Don't be afraid to join multiple affiliate programs within your niche. This strategy can help you maximize your earning potential. This allows you to diversify your income streams and offer your audience a wider range of product recommendations. Variety can keep your content fresh and engaging. Remember, building successful affiliate partnerships takes time and effort. Patience and persistence are key. Do your research, choose programs that align with your values, and focus on promoting products you genuinely believe in. Authenticity will resonate with your audience and build trust.